Why do some order blocks work very well while others cause losses? How can we identify the best order blocks and trade with them easily? Today, I'm going to introduce you to an indicator that not only detects the best order blocks but also shows precise zones for entry and target setting. In other words, 90% of the work is done by this indicator. If you search the internet, you'll find thousands of videos about order blocks claiming that a particular order block will definitely work. But when you test the same method, the results aren't great. So what's the problem? Let me first explain order blocks to you in the simplest way possible so you can recognize them at a glance on the chart. Order block. Simply put, when the price starts a strong impulsive move, that move can be significant for us because a large volume of money has driven it. So we need to pay attention to the origin of this move because when the price moved, a considerable number of orders remained in that zone. If the price revisits this order block level, it will likely react again. That's a simple definition of order blocks. For example, if the price makes a strong bullish move and a lot of buy orders are placed in that area, this zone becomes important for us. Now, which area should we mark? We can define the order block zone by identifying the first opposite-colored candles that appeared before this strong move. For instance, if the price made a bullish move, we look for the first bearish candles in that range. To draw the zone, we can consider the shadow wick to the candle body. In some other styles, traders focus only on the lower part of the red candle, from the wick to the body, which forms this area. However, one thing you should keep in mind is that if you ever want to mark an order block and see that the shadow is too long, you should ignore that long wick and focus on shorter wicks instead. This is because that long shadow may have formed due to news or market hype, which we can disregard. Now, we said that we're going to learn which order blocks to trade and which ones aren't suitable, and we're going to make it easy to mark these zones so we don't have to find them manually. So now it's time to learn about an indicator that does all of this for us. Go to TradingView, open the Indicators section, and select Breaker Blocks Flux Chart version. Add it to your chart. As you can see, this indicator focuses only on fresh order blocks and doesn't consider past order blocks in the market, which is an advantage because it keeps your chart clean and prevents confusion about which order block will trigger a reaction and which one we should trade. How to trade with the Breaker Blocks indicator. This indicator can be used on different time frames, but I personally use it mostly on the 5-minute and 1-minute charts for scalping. As you can see, the indicator marks two order block zones: golden zones, representing sell order blocks, blue zones, representing buy order blocks. The trading method with this indicator is slightly different, and this difference is what gives it an incredible win rate for order blocks. Here, the price has made a bullish move, the indicator has identified the origin of this move, and it has marked the entire body as the order block. When this zone is drawn, we said that when the price revisits this level, we expect another reaction. But we don't trade it this way, we let the price break through the order block first. Yes, you heard that right. We let the price break through our order block to the downside and simply wait until the price returns to this level. On the pullback, we prepare to enter, as you can see here. The price has broken through and pulled back. Now, at this point, we look for an additional confirmation, such as candlestick patterns like a pin bar or engulfing candle. As you can see, a pin bar has formed exactly on this level. We can enter one tick below this pin bar and place our stop loss behind the order block zone because it's a safe area. For the target, we can set it at 1.5 to 2 times the stop loss distance, and as you can see, the target is beautifully hit. One of the advantages of this indicator is that it shows you the exact entry and exit points and even the safe zone for placing your stop loss, which is extremely important. Many amateur traders lose money because they set their stop loss in the wrong area and get stopped out easily. But with this indicator, you can now have a safe stop loss zone with confidence. If you've enjoyed this video so far, a like from you would really help us out. Now, let's look at a buy order block example together. The price has made a sharp move, and this time, the indicator has identified this red candle as the origin of the move. You can't say this is wrong because the level it has marked is also important, so we can consider this zone as an order block. After marking the area, we wait for the price to break through this level and then watch for a pullback. Here, the price has pulled back, and with this engulfing candle, we can enter a buy position. For the stop loss, we again place it behind the blue order block zone, and the target is set at 1.5 to 2 times the stop loss distance, which is beautifully hit. One key point to keep in mind is that the price has already pulled back to this level once and reacted, but as you can see, this level was so strong that it was able to push the price up again on the second pullback. However, we know that the more a level is tested, the weaker it becomes, so it's best to enter on the first or at most the second pullback and ignore later ones because the chance of it breaking increases. Looking at a sell order block, we see that after the initial pullback, the price tried again to reach the order block level. But due to the heavy pressure from sellers, it couldn't even reach the level before continuing its bearish move. This shows how accurate and reliable the zones marked by this indicator can be. I'm sure that if you use this indicator correctly, meaning, along with analyzing the levels it marks, you'll get amazing results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we have many exciting tutorials coming soon. See you soon.